how you can send voice message in your Telegram. And if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's begin. First, make sure that you've installed your Telegram. If you don't have it, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and just search for Telegram and make sure that you've installed it. And if you have already installed it, just open up your Telegram, find the text you want to send a voice message in, and all you need to do is tap on this mic button that's on your bottom right. And if you swipe up, you'll lock it so you don't have to keep tapping on it anymore. You can pause it too, and you can just erase it. There is a button right there that's looking like a trash button. You can erase it too. If you just keep on tapping on it, you can slide to cancel it too. And to send it, just keep on tapping and release the button so you can send it. And that's how you send a voice message in Telegram. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye.